Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install .NET 5.0 on CentOS Linux 8 operating system. So .NET 5.0 is a currently available release on .NET flavors for all platforms. So let us see whether CentOS Linux 8 supports .NET 5.0 or not. So now I am going to the binary location. So these are the .NET 5.0 binaries which I have downloaded from .NET website. So we are not going to install everything. We are going to install this generic tar.gz file for Linux platforms. So this contains all SDKs and runtimes. So before installation, I am going to file system. So under that I am going to /opt directory. So here I already created directory called .NET. Under this I am creating one new directory called 5.0. So this 5.0 directory is for .NET 5 binaries. And here you can see that I already created a directory called .NetApps. So inside the .NetApps I am creating another directory called 5.0. So two directories under .NET and .NetApps. So .NET for binaries and .NetApps for applications. So before I proceed to install, I am checking some dependencies which is needed by .NET 5.0. So KRB file libs, libicu, openssl and zlib. So these are the dependent RPM packages which need to be installed, and it is used by .NET 5. Regarding openssl, we need to install compat openssl. So compat openssl deals with backward compatibility between openssl 1.1 and openssl 1.0. So all these RPM packages are available in CentOS Linux 8 DVD itself. No need to download externally. Okay, coming back to the binary location. So now I am going to extract .NET 5 tar.gz file. So these are the contents. So let me extract this content to /opt/.NET/5.0. So I have separately created one directory for .NET 5 binaries. So extraction is completed. So this is the directory structure of .NET 5.0, which contains SDKs and runtimes. Contains a lot of library files, executables for developing .NET applications, and this supports console applications. So C# console applications and ASP.NET web applications are supported in .NET 5, which is running on Linux. It does not support Windows Forms or graphical related applications. Keep in mind. So since this is running on Linux platform, it supports only console and ASP.NET web applications. Okay, coming back to the home directory, I am modifying the bash profile settings. So I am appending the path /opt/.NET/5.0 to path variable. Save the bash profiles so that .NET 5.0 will be available in terminal. You can run .NET applications from terminal from anywhere. Okay, coming back to terminal, go to home directory, source.bash_profile will load the latest changes in the bash profile. So now I started to running the .NET commands. .NET version will give you the what is the current .NET installed on your machine. .NET list SDKs will print what are the SDKs available, and .NET list runtimes will give you what are the runtimes like ASP.NET Core and .NET Core runtime available in your machine. Okay, now I am going to .NetApps 5.0 directory. So in .NetApps 5.0 directory, I am going to create one simple C# console application, .NET new console -o application name. So this will create one simple C# console application. So you can see that application is got created. So this is the application name. Let us go to the directory. Go to the file system /opt .NetApps. .NetApps 5.0. Yeah, you can see this is the console application got generated. You can see this are the files generated inside the application. So I am modifying program.c# files. So now I am going to print hello world into the console. If you are expert means you can add extra logic to that program.c#. So now go into the console application directory. Simply type .NET run on the terminal. So this will print the hello world in the console. Yes. So this is the way you need to run the console application from the terminal. Okay, now coming one directory back. Now I am going to create simple ASP.NET 5.0 application. ASP.NET 5.0 application. This is the command .NET new web app -o application name, and option I am giving no HTTPS, which means this application run without HTTPS protocol on browser. So you can see that .NET ASP.NET 5.0 web application is generated. So let me go into the directory. You can see lot of files are generated here. So under pages directory, you can see HTML pages will be there. You can modify or design these HTML pages as per your needs. And I can able to see C# files also generated. And www root, you can see JavaScripts are there. And under lib directory, you can see Bootstrap and jQuery framework are there. So you can also add additional JavaScript framework if you are an expert. Okay. Also, you can see that startup.c# and program.c# is generated. You can modify or add extra logic to this C# files if you are expert in C# programming. So let us run this simple ASP.NET Core 5.0 web application. So go into that directory, web app directory, which is which you created now. Simply type .NET watch run. So this will start the web server internally, that is inbuilt in .NET Core 5.0. This will start the web server, and this application will be deployed automatically, and it will be listening on the port 5000, and browser also will be started automatically. Yes. So this is ASP.NET 5.0 application. So simply type Ctrl+C to quit the application in the terminal. So .NET 5.0 installation on CentOS Linux 8 is successful.